For most people, recreational vehicles are more about convenience than luxury. But for the filthy rich, however, the picture couldn't be any more different. With price tags that rival expensive homes in exclusive neighborhoods and featuring deluxe, state-of-the-art amenities and even portable garages, these mobile masterpieces are sophisticated mini mansions on wheels. In today's video, we are going to have a look inside the 13 most luxurious motorhomes in the world. Number 13. 2002 Prevost XLII Liberty Coach 522. The 2002 Prevost XLII Liberty Coach 522 is a luxury motorhome built on a Prevost chassis known for its high quality and durability. The 522 model features a single slide-out, creating a spacious and comfortable interior. It is powered by a Detroit Series 60 12.7L 500 horsepower engine and an Allison automatic transmission. The interior is well appointed with a variety of luxury amenities, including a kitchen with Sub-Zero refrigerator and Gagano cooktop, a bedroom with a king-sized bed, a bathroom with a private water closet and shower, and a salon with a large sofa, recliners, and entertainment center. It is typically priced between $200,000 and $300,000. Number 12. Earth Roamer HD. The Earth Roamer HD is a discontinued luxury overland vehicle produced by Earth Roamer Expeditions. It is a massive vehicle built on a Ford F550 chassis, measuring 35 feet long, 13 feet tall, and 8 feet wide. It is powered by a 6.7L Powerstroke diesel engine and features a four-wheel drive system and a locking rear differential. The interior of the Earth Roamer HD is spacious and luxurious, featuring a living area with a dinette, kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom with a queen-sized bed. The interior is finished with high-quality materials such as leather, wood, and stainless steel. The Earth Roamer HD had a base price of $1,900,000 plus options. Number 11. 2024 Newmar King Air. The 2024 Newmar King Air is a luxury motor coach offering the finest in amenities, appointments, and customization options. It is the pinnacle of Newmar's dedication to luxury and comfort. The King Air interior features high-quality materials and finishes throughout, with a spacious living area, fully equipped kitchen, private bedroom with a king-sized bed, and a bathroom. The starting price for the 2024 Newmar King Air is approximately $700,000. Number 10. Living Vehicle H30. The Living Vehicle HD30 is a luxury travel trailer that is 100% solar powered, designed for off-grid living with a state-of-the-art energy system. The interior features a spacious living and dining area with a pull-out sofa bed, a fully equipped kitchen, and a master bedroom with a queen-sized bed. The bathroom has a residential-style shower and a full-size toilet. The 2024 Living Vehicle HD30 starts at $399,995 for the Eco Trim level. Number 9. Retreat Cabin and Oscorp's ERV. The Retreat Cabin and Oscorp's ERV is a fully electric off-grid caravan designed for comfort and convenience while withstanding the elements. It is powered by a 14.3 kilowatt-hour lithium battery bank charged by rooftop solar panels. The interior features a spacious seating area, master bedroom suite, full-size kitchen, and bathroom with a ceramic cassette toilet and fiberglass shower. It is priced at $110,000. Number 8. 4Travel Motor Coach IH45 Luxury. The 4Travel Motor Coach IH45 Luxury is a Class 8 diesel pusher motorhome known for its luxurious accommodations and smooth ride. It is built on the Spartan Travel Ride 3 chassis and powered by a Cummins X15 605 horsepower engine. The interior is spacious and well appointed, with a full kitchen, living room with fireplace and entertainment system, master bedroom with king-sized bed, and bathroom with walk-in shower. The IH45 Luxury starts at around $800,000 and can go up to over $1.5 million. Number 7. Bolus Endless Highways Performance Edition. The Bolus Endless Highways Performance Edition is a luxury travel trailer designed for off-grid adventures and zero-emission road trips. It features innovative technologies and timeless natural materials. The trailer has a king-sized bed, luxurious shower, full outdoor kitchen, and upgraded electrical power system with a 30,000-watt pure sine inverter and a 7,680-watt lithium iron phosphate battery system. It is priced at $159,000. Number 6. 2024 Jayco Greyhawk XL. The 2024 Jayco Greyhawk XL is a superclass C motorhome combining luxurious comforts and amenities with the power and durability of the Ford F-554 4x4 chassis. The interior is spacious and luxurious, featuring a living area with sofa bed and recliner, a fully equipped kitchen, bedroom with queen-sized bed, and a bathroom with shower, toilet, and sink. The starting price is $256,800. Number 5. Airstream Globetrotter. The Airstream Globetrotter is a luxury travel trailer known for its iconic design, high-quality construction, and comfortable interior. The exterior is made of durable aluminum, while the interior features modern and European aesthetics with a spacious U-lounge, dinette, full-size kitchen, and bathroom with shower, toilet, and sink. Number 4. 2024 Renegade Valencia 38BB. The 2024 Renegade Valencia 38BB is a Class C diesel motorhome combining family-friendly features with stylish details. The interior features a main living area with reclining theater seat, sofa bed, dinette, and galley kitchen, separate bedroom with queen-size bed, and bathroom with shower, toilet, and sink. It is priced at $330,000. Number 3. Tesla Cybertruck. The Tesla Cybertruck is an upcoming electric pickup truck known for its unique design, impressive performance specs, and long range. The interior is spacious and comfortable, with seating for 6 adults and a large cargo bed. It features a 17-inch touchscreen infotainment system controlling all vehicle functions. Prices start at $39,900 for the single-motor RWD model. Number 2. Tabert Cellini 750 HTD 2.5 Slide-Out. The Tabert Cellini 750 HTD 2.5 Slide-Out is a luxury caravan with a slide-out section increasing living space by up to 25%. It features high-quality materials and finishes throughout, a fixed bed layout with queen-sized bed, sofa, and dining table in the slide-out section, fully equipped kitchen, and bathroom with shower, toilet, and sink. The base price is $8,700 in Germany. Number 1. Prevost H345 VIP. The Prevost H345 VIP is a luxury motorhome built on the Prevost H345 chassis, known for its combination of luxury, comfort, and safety features. It includes a Prevost Electronic Stability Program (ESP) and beam frame reinforcement system for added safety. The interior offers a luxurious hotel-like experience, priced at $1.6 million. And there you have it, 8 luxurious motorhomes that redefine the meaning of travel and style. Which one would you choose for your next adventure? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating journeys into the world of luxury. Until next time, happy travels.